but you weren't chosen for no reason. God gives people battles that he knows that they can handle, but there's a deeper meaning behind it all. You just have to endure long enough to overcome it and understand, but never think that you're alone because God is always with you.
Angel, I'm over here.
Right, let's continue.
You'll have to prophesy against the shepherds, the leaders of Israel, for there is a better shepherd, the good shepherd, who finds and rescues his flocks. And though his journey has been hard, don't fret, because a covenant of peace will be made from the Lord. A message for Edom must be sent out again. Then you'll have to prophesy to Israel's mountains, because hope for restoration, for Israel is amongst you. Bones, bones, Ezekiel. There will be a valley of dry bones. Speak a prophetic message to the dry bones. Rattling noises all across the valley you'll hear. The bones will come together with muscles and flesh and form complete bodies. Speak another prophetic word of breath into their bodies so that they may come to life again. Glory to God. For a reunion of Israel and Judah is beyond the horizon. Look at this. Here's a message for Gog. Tell Gog that the Lord is his enemy and be prepared because the Lord will defeat evil amongst the nations, absolutely slaughtering the hordes of Gog. Then the Lord will decide that he wants the incaptivity of his people, and they'll know that he's God because he sent them away to exile, but also brought them back home again.
Yeah, let's go. Tag me in, coach. Put me in the game. I'm ready. Let's do this.
See, I knew you had it in you, but don't you, want to see the end of the vision?
Oh yeah, I'm gonna go sit back down, but roll a clip.